Guys, where are you writing this sentence?
Sorry, sir, I could not listen actually.
Okay.
And the
No.
Google is not take first word.
Okay. Madam is also joining the class. I think Shan is not joining, that's why ma'am is joining. Who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I
Sir, I have to make okay.
Mini said first.
okay, sir. Sir, I have to make this sentence. This sentence is belongs to present simple. It is an interrogative sentence, inverted sentence. Uh, Sorry, sir. It is an WH sentence. Firstly, I will take the WH word, and the WH word is what. Uh, Thereafter, I will take helping verb, and the helping verb is does. And thereafter, I will take subject, and the subject is your father. Thereafter, I will take main verb, and the main verb is do. And lastly, I will take main verb, and main verb is do, and I will put question mark.
Very nice. You have tried your level best, but the description was wrong. Now, who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make the sentence. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Um,
Neha.
this, this sentence belong to present simple tense. It is RWS sentence. Firstly, I will take the WS word, and word is what. Later on, I will take the subject, and the subject is your father. Later on, I will take the mm, first form the verb. Later on, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is do. Lastly, I will take the uh, first form the verb. The first form the verb is do, and and I will put the question mark.
Very nice. Nice effort, Neha, but the description is incorrect. Now, who has to make this sentence? Voice is chopping. Who is speaking? I can't hear anything. मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. Network is slow. निधि पटेल लेफ्ट. निधि पटेल क्लास छोड़कर चली गई है. Kalpana madam, would you like to try? Nidhi?
So can I try?
Yes, now you are
Now I'm
clearly
I'm
audible.
audible. I have to make this sentence. This sentence belongs to present simple tense.
Yes,
It is a WH sentence. Firstly,
yes,
I will take the WH word, and the WH word is what.
correct.
Later on, uh, we will borrow the helping verb, and the helping verb is does. Later on, I will take the subject, and the subject is your Pitaji or Papa. Uh, and lastly, I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is do. And finally, question mark.
Nidhi, why did you take does here?
So because the subject is singular number, that's why.
Yes, thank you very much. I'm starting with Kalpana madam. She will give imaginary answer, and everybody has to give imaginary answer. Uh, Kalpana ma'am, what does your father do? You are mute.
My father is an engineer in JDA.
आपके पिताजी क्या करते हैं?
मेरे पिताजी JDA में झांसी डेवलपमेंट
You should put your mouthpiece little near so that you can be audible.
mouthpiece like this. My father is an engineer in JDA. मेरे पिताजी JDA में इंजीनियर हैं.
Okay.
To whom should
How
I ask?
long has he been working in JTA?
He has been working in JDA since my birth.
वे जेडीए में कब से काम कर रहे हैं?
मेरे जन्म से वे JDA में काम कर रहे हैं like 1974. To whom should I ask? Nidhi, what does your father do?
Ma'am, my father is MLA in Bargi Vidhan Sabha. Ma'am, you're mute.
How many year has he working as a
Ma'am,
MLA?
sorry for saying. Please complete the process.
How many years has he working in as a
Uh,
MLA?
uh, he has.
Come again, please. Question is little wrong.
Ma'am, you're mute.
अरे हमें हैबिचुअल नहीं है यार अटेंड करने के. How many years has he working? Okay, has he been working as a MLA?
Ma'am, uh, he has been uh, he has been working for a long time as a ML. No, it is
दोस्तों,
not working, ma'am. Sir, it
भविष्य
is
में
not.
किसी को कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम देना है तो वो इस चीज को नोट कीजिएगा, बाकी लोग ध्यान मत दीजिएगा. एम स्वर नहीं है, व्यंजन है, लेकिन उसका उच्चारण ए से शुरू होता है, इसलिए उसके आगे उच्चारण ए से शुरू होता है एम का बच्चों। ऐसे प्रश्न कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं और यहाँ हम सब गलती करके आते हैं, क्योंकि हम वहाँ एम देख लेते हैं, ये नहीं देखते कि उच्चारण किस लेटर से शुरू हो रहा है। NMLA। जो भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम दे रहे हैं वो इस चीज को नोट कर लीजिएगा, बहुत आसान है, ए से शुरू हो रहा है उच्चारण। इज इट विजिबल टू यू, स्पेशली मिनी?
Yes, sir. It is visible to me.
दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल थिंग बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और जब भी किसी शब्द के आगे ए या एन लगाना हो तो उसका उच्चारण हिंदी में देख लेना, उस हिसाब से लगाना। उसका इंग्लिश देख के लगाओगे तो एक बार गलती हो सकती है, लेकिन हिंदी लिख के देख लेना उसमें। जैसे अम्ब्रेला में तो यू से शुरू होता है तो वहां एन लगेगा, ये सब जानते हैं, सरल है एन अम्ब्रेला। लेकिन एमएलए, ये देखो ए देख रहे हो ना, ए से शुरू होता है एन एमएलए। और अगर नेहा भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर रही तो उसके लिए भी ये बड़ा यूजफुल है।
Ma'am, he has been working uh, for the for last 4 years.
वह
वाक्य कुछ इस तरह से होना चाहिए निधि कि वो एक एमएलए के रूप में 4 साल से काम कर रहे हैं। सीक्वेंस
He has been working as a MLA for last 4 years.
अब मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया आप सब समझ गए होंगे, सब कुछ सामने है। उसके बाद भी निधि ने ए लगाया।
Sorry, sir. He has been working as an MLA for last 4 years.
वह एमएलए के रूप में कितने सालों से काम कर रहे हैं?
मैम वो MLA के पद पर 4 सालों से काम कर रहे हैं।
And by nature, how is he?
He is a good politician by nature.
And as a father?
Ma'am, actually, I was telling my father-in-law.
Okay.
Hmm.
So tell me about
But nowadays he is no more.
now he is
Yes.
is right.
Hmm.
Totally imaginary questioning answering
Yes.
is going on.
Yes.
So how was he by nature in as a father-in-law?
He was how can I say? Actually, I forgot my का.
ये मैं तो भूल चली बाबुल का देश.
Yeah.
Like. Okay, thank you, Nidhi.
Okay. Neha, what does your father do? Your dad do?
My father has been uh, doing
Sorry, Neha.
doing
come
farmer.
again.
My father has been doing farmer.
Sorry, Neha. I am asking in present simple firstly.
You can ask Mini.
Okay, Minnie. What
Can I try?
does what does your papa do?
My papa is a babu in NVIDIA department.
मिनी आपके पापा जी क्या करते हैं?
मेरे पापा जी NVIDIA डिपार्टमेंट में बाबू हैं.
How long has he been doing over there? It's from working over there.
He has been working as a babu since 1995 over there.
मिनी वो कब से वहाँ पर काम कर रहे हैं?
वह 1995 से वहाँ पर कार्यरत हैं. नेहा दी, what does your dad do?
My dad is a farmer.
Sorry.
My dad
Again.
is a farmer.
How many years has he been?
Firstly, complete the process so that she can better understand.
ओके. नेहा दी, आपके पापा जी क्या करते हैं?
मेरे पापा जी फार्मर हैं.
ओके. How many years has he been working?
How many years he has been
Sorry, Minnie,
working?
come again.
How
Okay,
long?
let me ask. Neha, what does your Pitaji do?
Sir, my father is a farmer. My
आपके
पिताजी is a
पिताजी क्या कर? अच्छा, पहले तुम बोलोगी फिर हम प्रश्न कर लेते. तुम बोल.
sir, my पिताजी is a farmer.
आपके पिताजी क्या करते हैं?
सर, मेरे पिताजी फार्मर हैं.
How long has he been farming? How long has he been farming?
Farming. Sir, he has been farming uh, since for my birthplace over there.
Very good. वो कब से? अच्छा, no. Next question. From which birthday has he been farming over there?
Farming.
From which birthday has he been farming over there? वो कौन से
Sir,
जन्मदिन से वहां पे खेती कर रहे हैं?
सर वो बचपन से आई फॉरगॉट क्या बोलेंगे बचपन से. वो बचपन से
Okay.
दादी के साथ दादी की हेल्प करते आए.
Okay. Thank you.
आई फॉरगॉट सर.
Madam is rest. She will give another answer. You can ask.
मैम,
और नहीं तो हमसे भी पूछ सकते हो, हम भी दूसरा उत्तर देते हैं।
What does your father do?
To whom are you asking? Actually, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, what does your father do? Your dad do?
Okay. She left due to the network issue. I'm answering. He is DSP. That is Deputy Superintendent of Police.
सर आपके फादर क्या करते हैं?
वे DSP हैं, अर्थात डिप्टी सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस।
How long? How long he has been working over there?
He has been working from the age of 23. He was selected in police as SP by IPS.
सर वो कितने समय से काम कर रहे हैं?
वे जब 25 साल के थे तो वो IPS परीक्षा देकर SP चुने गए थे, तब से वो इसी विभाग में काम कर रहे हैं। Let's change the verb. Excuse me, Kalpana ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir.
No, she is not there.
I'm here.
Okay. What does Amir Khan do?
Amir Khan acts.
आमिर खान क्या करते हैं?
आमिर खान अभिनय करते हैं।
You are not clearly audible.
आमिर खान अभिनय करते हैं। लाइक कैसे बोलना पड़ेगा क्या? It is charging actually. Mobile is in charge.
Okay. What sort of movies does he prefer?
He prefers generally, as far as I think, he prefers motivational movies like तारे ज़मीन।
Thank you. वे किस तरह की फिल्मों को प्राथमिकता देते हैं?
वे मोटिवेशनल यानी मोटिवेशनल मूवीज को प्राथमिकता देते हैं, जैसे तारे जमीन पर, 3 इडियट्स।
Nice.
Should I ask? Nidhi?
Firstly, ask who is ready to.
Who is ready to answer?
Ma'am, I am ready.
Nidhi, what does Sonia Gandhi do? Should I change the subject?
No,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can I change the subject?
No, it will do.
Okay.
Sonia Gandhi uh, does social working. It's wrong.
सोनिया गांधी क्या करती हैं?
सोनिया गांधी समाज सेवा
Yeah. Can you tell me about this worker? Like, what does she do as a social worker?
uh, she works he helps sorry she helps to poor.
Only,
Yes, ma'am.
only
uh,
she helps only poor.
ज्यादातर मैंने मतलब बचपन से ही देखा है.
You are
She
going to
always helps poor.
get entered in Rajniti, so you should know more about politics.
Ma'am, she
I don't.
always helps poor.
Okay.
I heard in my childhood when I asked to when my papa ji asked to poor किसको मैम मतलब किसको आप वोट देंगे तो बोलते हमारा तो बचपन से पंजे ही चला रहा है ऐसे करके बिकॉज दे help always poor.
Okay. क्या आप बता सकती हैं निधि कि एज अ सोशल वर्कर सोनिया गांधी क्या करती हैं?
मैम वो हमेशा गरीबों की मदद करती हैं. नेहा what does editor do?
What is the Hindi meaning, editor?
Okay, I'm answering this question because it is nice question. He edits the news.
संपादक क्या करते हैं?
वे
It is
समाचार की
right,
गलतियों
sir.
को सुधारते हैं.
How does uh, अब प्रोनाउन क्या रखेंगे सर? How do they no, sir. How does editor rectify mistakes?
Actually, every editor joins one course of editing. It is conducted by RDVV, Rani Durgavati Vishwavidyalaya. It is 2 years course. Anybody can join, but there is entrance exam. So after completing this course, you learn how to edit the news. So
सर
he
वो
adds
कैसे?
the names
हाँ
on the basis of his knowledge.
सर वो कैसे गलतियां सुधारते हैं?
रानी दुर्गावती विश्वविद्यालय के अंतर्गत एक कोर्स होता है जो 2 साल का होता है, उसका नाम है आई हैव फॉरगॉटन द नेम। उसको
बैचलर
करने
ऑफ
के बाद
जे
आप एडिट कर सकते।
जे से है जर्नलिस्ट, बैचलर ऑफ बीजे
BJC,
बीजे से।
Bachelor of Journalism and Communication. Thank you. It is BJC. Now you can, okay, I am asking a सरल question to Neha. What does a cobbler do? Neha, what does a cobbler do?
Sir, a cobbler does do a cobbler does
Wait, Neha. Minnie, what does a cobbler do?
The cobbler mends shoes.
Okay. Nidhi, what does cobbler do?
So the cobbler repair our shoes.
मोची क्या करता है?
सर मोची अपने जूते सुधारते हैं।
Neha, what does gardener do?
so the gardener does do gardening.
Minnie, what does gardener do?
The gardener does
Okay, Kalpana, what does the gardener do?
Gardener cares our garden, waters in our garden.
माली क्या करता है?
माली अपने पौधों की केयर करता है, हमारे पौधों की केयर करता है।
Ask.
What does teacher do? निधि,
Ma'am, teacher give us not give us
sorry,
teacher.
yeah, teacher. What does teacher do?
Gives us knowledge and blessings.
Blessings. Okay, thank you. टीचर क्या करते हैं?
मैम
हमने
टीचर
सम्मान
हमको
के लिए बोला, वैसे सिंगुलर पूछ रहे थे। हाँ, टीचर क्या करते हैं?
मैम टीचर हमको ज्ञान और आशीर्वाद देते हैं।
शिक्षक विशेष को संबोधित नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसलिए क्योंकि वो एक पद है, इसलिए हम उसको सम्मान देना वहाँ आवश्यक नहीं।
अच्छा, टीचर क्या करता है? शिक्षक क्या करता है?
मैम शिक्षक हमको ज्ञान और आशीर्वाद देते
हैं।
हैं।
And after getting the blessings and knowledge, what do we do?
How can I? Ma'am, after taking his knowledge and blessings,
Good starting.
we face all the problems, all the परिस्थिति को क्या बोलेंगे सर?
Circumstances, situation.
हाँ, situation. In free mind.
Free mind. Can I ask one more? Can I ask one more?
Okay, ma'am, as you wish.
If we do not get nice teacher, what happens?
Ma'am, this is a big deal for us.
Like,
Uh, ma'am, uh, this chance does not come uh, so many times in our life. This chance, sometimes this chance only uh, come comes in one time in our life. This is my uh, this is my bhagya that this
destiny.
is
Luck.
destiny. This is my luck.
Luck.
Hmm. Hmm.
How many teachers have given you blessings?
Ma'am, so many teachers, all the teachers
Okay, so you are
give me
nice.
blessings.
You
Yes.
have you
निधि टेंस को भी ध्यान से देखा करो. मैडम इज आस्किंग इन परफेक्ट टेंस.
So many teachers uh, give
sorry.
us so many teachers, sir, plural. So many teachers.
How many teachers? Can I repeat?
Huh.
Have given you blessings?
Ma'am, so many teachers have given me blessings.
Okay, thank you, Nidhi.
कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस. नेहा को भी समझ में आए ना?
Okay. आपको कितने शिक्षकों ने आशीर्वाद दिया है?
मैम, मुझे बहुत सारे शिक्षकों ने आशीर्वाद दिया है.
थैंक यू निधि. धन्यवाद निधि.
No need for thank you. Sir, I have to ask Neha. Neha, what does uh, fire element give us?
एलिमेंट्स. एलिमेंट्स. एलिमेंट्स.
Elements. Neha, what does fire element give us?
The five elements does
Okay. Mini, can you answer this question? Wait, Neha. Okay, I'm answering this question. Nidhi, it gives us heat.
मिनी कहाँ गायब हो जाती हो? मिनी.
I'm here.
Nidhi, complete the process.
सर, अग्नि तत्व हमें क्या देते हैं? क्या देता है?
वह हमें ऊष्मा प्रदान करता है.
सर, प्योरिटी भी हो सकता है क्या?
Yes. Mini, what does goldsmith do?
So gold smith makes gold ornaments.
तुम अपनी स्पेलिंग पढ़ा करो.
Makes gold ornaments.
सुनार क्या करता है?
सुनार सोने के आभूषण बनाता है. निधि दी.
निधि नहीं, नेहा.
नेहा दी. What does doctor do?
Doctor Doctor do.
Sorry.
Doctor. A doctor does.
Okay, I'm answering and finishing this round. He treats us. He treats us.
सर डॉक्टर क्या करता है?
वो हमारा इलाज करता है. अब आप लोग थोड़ा सा व्हाट्सएप में कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर खेल लें तो नेहा को उससे मदद मिल जाएगी. See you on Monday.
थैंक यू